Hello, friends. Hope you all are well today. The story we will practice English with is called The Clever Mouse and the Mischievous Cat. Once upon a time, in the beautiful country of Bangladesh, there lived a clever little mouse named Mithu and a mischievous cat called Raja. They lived in a rustic old house near the edge of a small village. Now, Raja the cat was notorious for catching mice, and he prided himself on being the mightiest hunter in the neighborhood. Mithu, on the other hand, was a fearless and quick-witted mouse who always managed to escape Raja's clutches. One sunny afternoon, as the villagers were busy with their daily chores, Mithu decided to explore a field nearby where he had heard tales of delicious grains and seeds. Since Raja loved napping during the afternoon, Mithu thought it was the perfect time to venture out and explore the vast fields filled with mouth-watering treats. As Mithu nibbled on corn silk and dashed through the tall grass, he noticed an old rusty trap hidden amongst the crops. Curiosity got the better of him, and before he knew it, the trap snapped shut, trapping Mithu by his tiny paw. "Oh no!" cried Mithu in despair, unable to free himself. Just then, Raja, having woken up from his slumber, spotted Mithu's predicament. The temptation of a trapped mouse was irresistible for Raja, who slyly approached the little mouse. "Gotcha!" he exclaimed with a grin, thinking he had finally caught Mithu. Before Raja could pounce, Mithu quickly began pleading for his life. "Please, dear Raja, have mercy on me. If you spare me, I promise to help you in the future. I know a secret place where the villagers store an abundant supply of food." Raja, intrigued by the idea of endless food, hesitated for a moment. "All right, Mithu," Raja said cunningly. "But remember, if you try to trick me, you will regret it." Using his sharp teeth, Mithu managed to chew through the rope that held his paw captive. Freed at last, he led Raja to the hidden barn where the villagers stored their harvest, thanks to his keen knowledge of the house. As the duo sneaked into the barn, they saw mountains of rice, delicious wheat, and countless savory fruits. The smell was intoxicating to both of them. Raja was delighted by the sight and immediately began feasting greedily, enjoying the food he had never tasted before. Mithu, on the other hand, observed the surroundings and kept a keen eye out for any signs of danger. Feeling grateful for Mithu's assistance, Raja made a heartfelt promise. "Mithu," he said sincerely, "from this day on, I will spare you and your mouse clan. We shall live harmoniously, and you will always have a safe place to call home." True to his word, Raja maintained his promise, and Mithu and his family were never harmed by the cat again. Over time, they formed an unexpected but enduring friendship, proving that even the most unlikely alliances could flourish. And so, in a small corner of Bangladesh, the tale of Mithu the mouse and Raja the cat became a legend, teaching all creatures that compassion, understanding, and teamwork can triumph over fear and rivalry. If you like it, share the story and give your friends an opportunity to practice English. Be sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.